There are other people who are doing that business. If to say that here you see other people are doing it, yes, it's okay, it's business, you can make your money. But that money, if you go come they reach you, come they throw away for outside now. You come they reach you, come they use until they give different musicians to enhance your name, to promote you, to they call your name just to find this big relevancy or whatever. No, that is no longer normal. I'm telling you people. Even the source of income already genuine and normal. No one throw it away anyhow. The money that the source of income is genuine, clear, crystal clear, known. The one that is recommended by God, the one you work for. No one throw it away. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. You will see it the way the people are living, that they are living. Even Ned Nwoko, you will see that Ned Nwoko is not a fraudster. He's a politician that just like to spend this money for women. But you don't see and ever they throw away money, they look for those kind of big attention with big names so that his name will be called and whatever. You see, sometimes when I'm on the talk for this live, there will sometimes be... Anyway, let me not go there this evening because if I always talk about it, it will be too much. There was a time where the woman where they say, then you know how much they do isa, how much niya yasisa, where they debt bize, where they buy bag of rice, where they buy this one, go they share for people. Sacrifice. They also like to do sacrifice, different junction. Emani like a now. Be careful of people. Emani sisa agbe. I always say it on this live video. People who know how to do too much giveaway. They want to always give to people, give to people, give to people. Sometimes there is no genuinity in it. Sometimes it's about returning your courses to your... Emani winning down or if from big say. People where they thief money, where they do bad. Emani ziba, emani woman, emani down. Emani mwe bogbe. Nyangi we give away back more. Now that one they take 30, they know them. To do giveaway is good. And most of them, they want to do their own publicly. So that people go they pray for them. When other people go they swear for them, people go they pray for them. Sometimes people will even swear for them, will pray for them again. Those are the reasons why most of them will be doing it. Thieves, now them pay big tithe pass for church. Criminals, 419s, if they go to church on Sunday to sit down, the tithe they will pay you, a normal person, you will not pay it. They will come and stand in front of the old church, thinking they are deceiving human beings. Why they will be deceiving themselves? Because the real God is watching them. It's just the fake God that is there. Why everybody will be praying for them? They like looking for prayers. A room. Those people, they are not genuine, most of them. Emani sisa, wa ya wo no ya sisa, ya isa. Eyi mi ri mo magboma, we man emi set igbo any have but we now one. The small one, the small wife was always doing that. Ijisa na she be. Now affected the suspectant. Orulegbe. If you see people who run too much, they are not clear. Their way not clear. People wait till they do juju. Some people they do juju to protect themselves. You will see them, they will be balanced inside that juju way they do. Go be like sheep where they on top water. But you see the ones who have interior motive, they are always running when no one is pursuing them. That is the first thing to know that they are not okay. Something is so there's something that's definitely running after them that normal eyes are not seeing. See all the money of these people where they collect now. The man wanted to go and join politics so that he would take a big role, take a big position in the government. They will now be using this position to intimidate his victims. You can't use this position to intimidate his victims. They not fit do birthday this year. I wrote it out. If you see a man that does birthday every year, like woman, it's not normal. Normal men who have responsibility, they don't even remember their birthday, not to talk of they want to be celebrating. People can't gather a man. Just know, say that man don't carry any responsibility for inside your house. Yes, my darling people, men who carry responsibility inside their house, they don't have the time to be sitting down and doing birthdays like women. Make people they spray them. Then make them they do whatever. The way the man is seeking attention is alarming. You get one video of a woman when I see one short video like that where the woman for the talk say when you deal with only the first wife alone, you don't get problem. The first wife is Polish now. That is why. The woman is Polish. Two of them, the last one and the man, same character and deal with them. Same behavior. And the last one, I cause the problem with them, they so for their body. If to say now that first one, I see they do that work with that man, and if they collect these people money, it go chop their money forever. They don't feel do anything. Sometimes God is great. Yes, my darling people. That third one, now cause the problem for their body. That second one, because that one want to be too loud for no reason. She brag like today, not be tomorrow. Her bragging alone is enough to know that. Because if rope one cut, you can't tight. You know, say if rope one cut, you can't over tight. Now you tell no say this rope one cut. So musician, you can't use kitchen do competition online. You don't see my kitchen. How many of you get this one? You don't see the house when I built. You know. Now tell no say you don't know boy the river iban. And I mind normal. Other musicians who be say then they Benin, they have even sing music with the entire ear. Correct. Yeah. You understand? Now you go tell no. The way the woman was running for competition is so alarming. If you look at it, even me myself, that time I was just looking at her to see. So in that video those days, where can they do? I mean, nobody know we get as well. I don't know why people don't want to do legit. That man, they exist for this life. You don't want to walk like every other man. So if you're oh my God, I have a special dislike for lazy men. You see the woman they say hey, you want a pan say hey. You see the woman they sing, you want a pass sing pick money. Which one you they do? Then who ever be the secretary or give me you? The fact is that the women were liking the man because if you look at the man very well, nothing with the life, but you don't be say fine, no call, no fine. Now woman I need to look at. He just celebrated 45. Me and with the man we are age mates. The age mates my boy. That is why they call him small boy. He be a woman. So now God even doing, I want those people to get joy. Those people where they thief their money. Those people where they collect their money from. God wanted them to get joy. Now social media competition, I finish it. Let me tell you, I always say this thing. A social media, just be yourself and be doing your things. If anybody want to carry you enter unnecessary competition, shift. I don't do competition with borrowers. Oh, do you know borrowers? Please shift. This abroad when I did, so when I don't spend that many years, 27 years for abroad. Now you might be that me me what you say. Now person want to tell me what they happen for this life. No. You go near who equal. Every walk by competition. It be equal. Go and enjoy yourself. Just be yourself. Yeah, enjoy. You get it. boropose, now you want to the go and enjoy your boropose or whatever. Then we quite pay us our here. This is how abroad is installment. Then when you're in Nigeria, you know, see installment, we're not the yet bossa. I do le review million. Eh? You see them pack them together, those people they'll say they want to sing for abroad. Collect money from them. A Koyan vient say they know they carry them past Lagos. No stable job on company on his name. God bless you. How stable job or company go come day name. How do total you? Let me tell you, if you have eyes, you have been existing in this Europe for years. Your eyes will stare you genuinity. You are not a baby. When you see something that is legit and genuine, as a normal human being, you are supposed to recognize it. You say, no, mama, I not be age me too. Iye matter. Lisa Kweti, because they say you celebrate 45. Because everything are fake for your life. Maybe you never see even reach 45 we celebrate. On your enemy. I'm already there, you rock by you just fake life. The way they wrong. May go carry two face come. May go carry the other one come. Are you going to compare him with JJ Barry? I know what JJ Barry does for a living. He have a job. Source of income. Promoter, we know one. Which one be your own? Apart from looking at the side of the second wife, the one way they do. A second wife to me. That is second wife this thing. The idea of not stealing people money. You know some people when they see they say they come. So a lot of people are so this life in. People they see they say that they come abroad. Many people they do and that cannot be they start this fraud stuff with you. Not be the starter out. Many abroad women they do those days. If they from Italy or from Spain or from Germany, I don't know whatever country they will be. They go to Nigeria, they will go, they say, you get one, that one are from Italy, come that time, come our area. If you come, money we want to collect for people, now you want to enjoy yourself before you go back. You go say, now say you want to carry them come abroad. You will collect money for their hand. Those one, you really put money for hand, for grant, they want to go abroad. It's study Europe, but if you can't reach abroad, you go say, now so he talk, he can carry on a passport, and give and he can carry and go there, now so they can look and say no. Then when your own go hard, you come from abroad, come they return their money small, give them. Some way go fit see money give. The one way not see money give, now only God can know as they do them. They are living, those are people who live on, I want to talk on. People who live on debt. A person who live on debt is not a normal human being. What every normal person must work towards to live is a debt-free life. That's the real life. That's the only thing that will make you to last long as a human being. Last normal living. The way government is strategized living for people. Debt-free life. Especially when you are aging. When you don't age, do whatever it is that is possible in your power to live a debt-free life. You will enjoy what life is. From now to 10 years, you they look at not far. It'll be like 10 days. Ugwone. In your old age, you don't want to be able to be climbing flight and running up and down. And going to holidays and enjoying yourself, enjoying your freedom, checking yourself into where you want, relaxing into inside your house, watching Netflix, make your mind reach ground. See anybody, they call you, say, come give me my money or this one, whatever. If you are living a normal life, your life will always be beautiful to the end. If you are living a comparison and a competitive life, my darling, sorry is your second name. Sorry. Meaning you don't know the audio of life. Who do you want to please? Human being. Those things does not please people. If I'm saying those things, they will think I'm joking. You know they please people. Your knowledge is what people are after in this world. If you're a person, you are not knowledgeable at all. You are like a big fool. The only thing you want to be flashing material things around you. You are like a mumu on top of whatever is in your hand. Take it or leave it. That's why the Bible says, Go and seek knowledge. He didn't say seek money. He said money is the root of all evil. When you are knowledgeable, you will know that when you are getting advanced in age, you reduce your debt. You understand? At the end of the day, look at it. And I saw they can't use thief, can't they rob me? A legit worker to make all that thing. When you be my seri, my Yahweh, you don't see us running on competition with people. We just go, we do our job, we earn our money, we enjoy ourselves, we save our money. If you want to travel, we travel. If you want to go to eat, we eat. We eat tree. Planned life. When you planning life, you talk. Peace of mind that passes all understanding. You go come to say, you be thief, you were the thief, and you are the real thief. What about today? God was merciful enough to let me see it. All their criminalities and how real thieves they are. This thing, when he started to worry them for his side, but they began to kill the woman. The woman was heavily in pain. On to attack the social media, nobody knew what they passed through. And hence, the woman don't follow the man correct. Why? You know what happened? You know why I can't pay debt, but in one time talk saying a big man marry. Exactly, they are living a high service life. You understand? They say, not sell a house. Kore say, not sell a house to pay. And this tell us and say, now the people money are joined to pay. Okay, say the man say, have people join money to build the woman house. Can you imagine? It take people money to they do projects. He had to know level. Who does that? How can we be using people's money to do projects? People's money, is it your own? People's money is not your own. That's why they call it people's money. There are people who are very disciplined with money. Me, I'm a very disciplined person with money. For this, I know when I do so. I don't do so way be say. I don't talk. I first they talking for a year now. I stopped because I don't come there Nova City Center. We left. I know how much they pass my hands. Nobody 1 cent. We say na sorry they owe me 1 cent. When it's time for people to take their money, everybody could take money. You will take your own, I take my everybody go work. I go. I want my apollo be back mona. Ojia yaju. Now thief, now they use until they go. If I don't get money, my family need money in Africa. I don't borrow money to give them. I know they promise. I don't get. I don't have. It's as simple as ABCD. And I know they borrow. I don't get. I give when I have. Unnecessary competition, fake show up, those things like they siphon people. And they make people they fall for what they're not supposed to put. The woman come for put. Upcoming musicians where they sabi sing, all of them did there. We are lebo by, we are webo. They were doing juju. May they hear their name. I will not hear go. May you let them go see. If you come here. You will do concert for abroad today, saying I say you want to come abroad. Me everybody still mind the way we fed before. A big man I bonana castle feed. I had the time when my own work on out and say these people they are ain't go so come. This one, this one don't know my again. Any normal. This one, any na they don't more bug benina the corner. People are dealing with these people. I don't know who. All those people with their own money, so you don't know say they use to find them. When I did my live video, when I did live video one day, that time with me and then the quarrel, when one woman call, it come they shout. They shout on my live video. I don't know if you people remember. What you want way now or matter who ya in gualo. Ya we. Do you know that today that woman not talk? He just shout for that live video. Okay, we want to be another no. He said they want kill her. She said that and said they won't buy her. I remember she said that. To say they want buy her. Maybe in lady young son and ye bogwalian. They use juju to define them. And they shop their money. That's why you see some people, they will be afraid of going to Africa. Maybe you will draw debt. You enter flights, you say they go home. If you reach Africa, you just want to go and visit. If you reach them, because most of the people when they back for Africa, because it just be like when all these jealous Morgans gather against me. Because I do analysis past them. I present past them. That was the truth. They were threatened by me. They wanted to remove me by all means. They even thought if they brought my parents to social media, they don't know say it go make me stronger. It go make me it make me rooted more. It was a sacrifice they did for me by themselves. Now they perform for me. You understand? So they wanted to do everything that would make me intimidated and enter house. For who? Waiting beyond this one. You understand? So you don't know where those problems is going to come from. Maybe something will just happen to them in Africa. This kind of people can set a person up. Who are Africa away? They will just end you ordinary 10,000 naira. And you finish your life with 20 million. Because they don't want to ever pay back that money. The second wife is too desperate. The desperation of that girl is out of the I'm telling you guys. Now when she can't do me some kind things, now I tell you say, these people. Even for their own party, even if me spend the to be me yam with do tie fan le gbe ma order for me. Ogbe 1,000 plus. Copyright matter just happen. They don't even call me, tell me say see one thing. It's automatic from Facebook. The next thing, you know, I'm la live then you do ya make me go. Ije. Una to get men do. They say they want to use me make money. They say me no get view again and then get view. Jesus, say man me men the mon chat. Oh, Baba, nobody should sell their humanity for money. Yeah, man, it's one me. They don't carry everybody take fine money finish. They just look around, say this one get big enemy. They just took advantage. Mighty Jehovah. Oh. Chalo boy. Even me you we make bina, who say bina. It man that for me. Everything. It's already the time where they want to turn me to money, where they want to monetize me. They don't look back. They were willing to monetize me, even the way I just stand up for myself. To say no. It's not possible. Me, myself, I go monetize when a lot of people stand up with me. They saw the people that stood up with me that they were against it. For what? It was a big shock to me. It don't finish. You see, some subset of people who betrayed me on this Edo cyberspace. My darling, I can't expect anything. I can't expect anything. They don't look back. That's why they look at CJ. They didn't want to go Baba. Why did they give me your power? The man say make his wife drag me. And he go say me all of my con. Here while I live video, you do monetize me. Oh God, I cry to my God. Be ye kena Baba. For no reason, this man just wanted to best non tolome. He see me muria gbon. He was show my wariniana. I cry to my heavenly Father in my secret place. I say, any king paniya ariye bonidi, any eboni ariya you no see a fajin yagbi. Baba ne baba, e fana motinye. E fa oji na moma eva desoe. e fa e que ne fari di aje ya duk mo ni re nu ya runya baba ni baba u ga runya ga u be u ga e kale o ga e different kind of u na wear them this shame, let it be extra large in their neck. E sinya na ele ni ana baba ya do si me ba deso e ke si no mani ya lelian o we no mani ya kulelian baba ni baba sinya ba deso e sinya odawa zen odawo so baba ni baba o sinya no rekoko hian no rekoko gela dian no do sinya bolua e mini maseti winya e baba ni baba ma no winya e do summit e yada ha nya wo jihi me na gele to I cry to my God. If I even know about it, if it was a something that the person sit down, you planned to do. If not be song when I play follow now for all these years, ni ya we mo ni ya kulele here, no ya you do. A monetization you worry, copyright le Facebook ou la de automatic. They don't even pity me say again now a Facebook come or can support man a Facebook do ane no je. Yama be to ani me ni yama mo e meije me. They know say those people get mad do. Those people oh man no jene ni yanje. Nariye koku do ebi yeke. Atalakpa no managbon. O managbon ne to an o hanyo ma ene to an. E ibu no salobari ni ya no re ni ya be we. E ge to yan. Even we sagiyan yan adasa giyan yokpa won. E ge bien to an dayan be ni ya ma me to an dame. They came. They just slagged on me. They just wanted to drag me. They say, now that small boy, and I tell them, they didn't drag me. That's why they do. Anybody where they lie on my head, you go say, now so me can't look for trouble. When you know the truth, my darling, I they go a hoko for you, not be lie. Oh. Be like that one where sit down for years for inside Germany now. No rest to got no boy, no more baby boy, no baby food you wa. Say, now so me can't look for trouble. Or less get no time at time. I have mere one good year. We are serious that from every way. You can do time away with them. Now, where will send at your mona David be? Oh, you are in the mood you walking at boy. Or you can't. Oh, you be bad disease. When you go and I away. My matter not be like that. My matter is spiritual, my darling. I am telling you the truth. When I go to what total benezoluwa. Say you cannot mind your business. As you they do my own, may you take shop for outside. May I turn it dinner and money get kuku. That's why it go be for you. If you don't wake bese walking about the way. Because you people are just terrible. They will come and be lying even when they know the truth. The truth go they look them. Just imagine, look at me and look at the whole world. What if you concern that human being? Like I don't understand. Don't want me to tell me where I'm with me. Unless say I go be shame. Say this kind of person. What you want concern Igbonona? Even we are here telling you, they even the shame. What go like no one more land and we get again. Go say na so me con even see. Every day for us. Even know that you marry it. 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 Salo baba no meto. Just me no be ede. Yo malira yo maruwa. Wo wa meji. Ade tota yo wo ma mi gbe mi mu wa. Obi o kan kere bu me la wo wa. Odo polo me la dia be dun ki so. No ri eni ri daji. Ma ri ri no ri daji. I don't know say na marriage dey here. He dey fight my marriage. They bulala my marriage. He dey drag my husband today. Look at her. Oda fon yan ki ya pokuto. Egbe o rebo eni. O yan gbin na bebu na. O je wudan. O re saga. E ti upgrade egbe ti doligbe ye ti dolo kan yi. Egwe saga e wudan salubu ari la o. It can never make a difference in the midst of binime. Other binime wey dey do saga. E ti make a difference awa. Almost to total bayemi na eni almost to yeru nijo. O yan mo egu nijo yu. O like o ma like o jagbadani. Agbadani. O yan joy. Agbada no te a ono jo da fun me o ma setting. Na ni mi e we to da fun me and dollar di anta ma go yo kan kire bia we leave me alone. O do no ye yo ba talk yan joy. Ni e ya yi go mure na talk yan jagbada ni. Ah wa. E seti kan wi yen joy. Cause shame and disgrace don't enter their body. Now back, now the man come they sit down, they follow and they do saga. Et tu let it work there, et tu let it achabo, et tu let it work on a born in Jesus. I go 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 born in Jesus. Quand they go born in Jesus. Look at you. Saga husband. The woman not to talk about with saga ba shame and disgrace of the highest order. Why vama isi me ya sam bolo ni sama iwe ero dono dogu. Bi anonje eskuve na jo. Do mwen dali trete we nu ba je no gu wagon. God forbid. I reject you guys in the name of Jesus. Bi ane manager no manage life me, manage it nicely. Ona manage it better than all of you. I'll conquer and come and make on the thought to who. I say who waya. Most of you that for what we make one, or we may take wagon, or what must say. Can you imagine, my darling people? He can't even lie. He say, "Na me, come look for a trouble." Anytime we I tell you that I'm so salubwa, even no buhana tana baba, you no bo him away. Bo him away. Aga mi ego magele amendai. Ijobo no kwalo se Nigeria ene mami esili. Bo him eva baba ne baba. Eki agwalori. Eki anamune. Yenu eki anilane. Na prick he say he define the go. I give him that prick. What you don't know about saga is that saga is spiritual. Your own, you the thing say na say job you do for us. Oh, ha mere agbe you on wa son avant. Because nous vieji. Et we not say we denya wa fun gi no to vedag mo we ya. Because who wa dog me gbina hon we abi. Who ga igbina never dey so la be dia ya gbina fo ba bono pa. Non be joke. Non be joke at all. Who no muru mo so joy. Who no jamais les social media face to face vi baye. On ti uje wuni e dien do gi egbe oho. Egbe seti oho wa so enwo. Wuni ujo egbe. Uga we jam emi amejo me wuni emi ame uni ajo atota e wishi arole we la dia we ya yin go. Uga mwe le ganjo me o le gan ni uje akpo le gan le lu. Uga mwe buje me ire social media na ba agari rest in peace you ohun. Joke. Oh, jine na do munyon le yakin ya takpara pa no gioje yan mi millionaire no ripe igbese la ran la re. No be say dem do asawo. Wa ma gbase wo ama iwe ta fin wa so wa yire ma ni gbase wo those days we bu. Una come be like people we do asewo those days we be say na do mo sorry re na mo sogo your uru. Go and learn job. Go to school wo para. Nothing. Wa ye gire ma ba ya collect here lele na be here. How is the market today? Wa de lukmono mo se ni go we ma de igere expect no you send phone ni ojiji. I want to be beautiful but I want to collect people who enjoy my own. How is it today? You're not rich. You are irrelevant. Illiterate no matter primary one. You are irrelevant. Because of me 5 million already do ye. Ava takparakpa no gyoji. Na that one I don't take call takparakpa no gyoji. Iya wa amoji otanse olele biele. Na ende di kola. Oji ga ya me mo yi lan. O wo ke gege no. O si no baba na. Rigo ni ya ami mi ropa. O wa ma mu we. Da fun we no we ki atine. Me no won do no we ki agba wo wa. Imaladia ni do si we anyway you enjoy o mo we ki anu kwase ni do da we jini ase yo siori. We no wa ovi ku ma kono ma sevenia. You just because of emi twin ne la okun we fo. We not about to swing for no reason. Say you just start to walk. Now me even supposed to the whole now. But you know, I don't go feel whole now because I didn't enjoy it. Huh? You understand, my darling people? It's so it get as it be. At the end of the day, look. Who can any what they can't hear Ivana Giuna? Eh? Wa wana okpe amatan oye wa na ma me yo gbe face ye boko ya ye kokoko we face na gbe makeup ye dedegbe dekwa na wa for na anyway me I no go there me una give people who na collect their money That is why they always tell you, people who are not normal with themselves, when they feel so inferior, now then, now they go use hand, they look for different. Why watch any equal? You see short women, the way they will be looking for attention and recognition. Sorry, you, my darling, not be all of them, but some of them, many of them, rianji. Igbo, any no ye make a table, Kevin Simani. Oh, yeah, we have Shala Tukulu, Lily, Ravidian. They look for people trouble. We be those people, the trouble where they can't look for where I sit down. Oh no, on a tell now where we say. He also look on the these people came to ask me. They say, Oji, you can't find our copy that so salubani illiteracy. On a say in a little for illiteracy. Illiteracy, say, go cure where my darling. Money does not cure that thing. No matter how much you will thief from people, it will not cure it. It's only knowledge that will remove that thing. A disease is down. All one win and where it all one win and can worry here. It made all the cells that are that is oh darling people. Oh my God. I've sex in here for we suppose we be say they don't no development inside. No matter how you go take dress. No matter how the plot where the person go wear, no matter everything, major open mouth with Jesus. Illiteracy. No knowledge. Knowledge is power. Why give me you? Social media have rules and regulation. Copyright is automatic. Nobody go just put up for your music or your things where you they do since. They have played your music for many years. You follow their video for plenty years. Forget what you comment as they talk. If they want to carry on a proof of fact. That's why you must get knowledge. You'll be able to handle commenters. The commenters want to hear problem. So because they want to hear problem, because it's sweeting them, they just know, say, you were when I am, Larry. They'll just do you like this. Like the fight we all those one fight. It's a very shameful fight. Good evening, Paiki. Person where you will just say, my editor, call J, my sister Igbewo. Oje venije Igbewo. What all? Wabo Baba wo do just say call. La wo a copyright where this topic Facebook ima. Imagine no si no ye minu copyright. Matter je venije we. On a copyright I remember a video that I posted about Lady Precious Mink. Another person don't me compost her. You know, because she sent it to me on WhatsApp direct by herself. She said, post it. I said, okay, I post her. So because she post her, other people see her and they post her. I don't know how many people she also send her for. She don't know about copyright. Her Facebook never, on my web based video, no, you understand even the copyright. So she sent it to me, she sent it to other people. Me, come post her. Immediately, I just post her. Copyright. One of my Diani KG. I needed to delete it. I bring the video down. When people come, they write, say the copyright, they worry, they not get deleted the video. I took it to my small page that was not having copyright. You see that problem just solved. Nobody can street, not the one big back. Not the one or that one not black bevenia. Or that thing no you got a yam with baby me, lime and dikuwe. He said that's why he can't dance the smell for where they did not wear and renewal. You see, I too like this top where you for buying my darling. You are not there. Me, I not to get one shop where they go like that. Oh, I go everywhere. As I also they go sometimes, or maybe online. I just see what I like. I'll just order, or I'll just buy just so people for something. You understand? That's why I think they buy something. Shop self, I know they get power. If I plan come on for what say I want to enter shop, yeah, what say like me over me yao. You walk here, which shop? A big quick women say the thing we me work out for say I want to go there. I don't go see and buy. I feel you go buy another thing. I love shopping inside the phone. Maybe if I really want shop. In short, my shopping is Zara somehow. Because when some people will just say, now I want to go and do shopping, my own won't be like that. From there, will be like the next job where I see, I'll just walk around and go like that. At the end of the day, I feel not even buy anything. I feel even buy with I don't need. I feel even come buy with I don't even like. Sometimes I'll come bring that thing, come house. I'll say I'm not like I can't do my wardrobe for there. I'll reject them for wardrobe. Now later I'll come wear it again. I'll say this thing good for my body. If it's one that I'm okay, my own just get different. Get as be. You see, it was almost what that pushed them through to be told. That one, is something they can't fight me. Una não even con use na mete reason ati wale lo go na wo da fon gbe na ba. Wo da fon me ga wo ya so yin. Wo do lili ku wiku. Na te no se yan na. Yin tin yan na re ni na o ka bo. Tia ki wai, mara wa do waji. Copyright na automatic. Yan atama me dali people go enter me this thing delete am. I go even tell them sorry put. Because na automatic tell the world when ka ya gbeleluwa for many years. I even deserve the 1 naira. Ko wa ma sa me. Even the 1 cent with that Facebook go even give me self I deserve am. David Angeleya we me no. I deserve am. E laugh now ma keke ni mi don wan pe. Think about other people who have also sacrificed for you. He go me ya. Money is not everything. But how will you bonnet be? You do for me, I do for you, but mema unu wama ume vegani beti mo pa unu wa more than 1,000 plus. Almost 2,000 euro lose. Our parent, I lodge you, I will be yanado ya the bed a party wa. It's ever a man came over a day because of me and a very. I made the day here. They say my husband's me can't give them. I say now, wow. I walk by my senore depo. Enena. A dark menina or that shorty. If to say now, waiting me the see so. Now so the woman want come show the you what says happy talk. Ununi yawe music. Before person go to I go they threaten I want play music for you. Bonnie me gwalo. Me manaria buwe mo so mwe buto. O monoria bewo asete mo buto. I maria bewe. Who play music o. Who ma play music o. I mu e buto bi. O bo me mo so ba we ru me mo so wina wo we positively. For waiting. Ave wo ma video. Because of say you want to make people happy. Me see you say it's your what igbo won we na to me we e. Where you are begging me here. Una wa opportunity for you to rise. Chai. Today unko wanyo. No. You waited to sing bad song, follow me. Sabana say one down the one. Arre. On dit mais ne retanansi animal se donc que non giwa ni na giwa. E da de gbe yan ya giwa. Mi video ni ya giwa, mi video ni ya giwa yo. Ni bo ma yen anje because of it confuse elements. Look at your life. I want to mulita buto. I want to do this one. They begin to say, "Hey, mare kokobiri." I want to. You don't see kokobiri what they do for 1 night before. Not be working for the con just na enter years. If you get anywhere where they go, take wife and the children, if they go. Wa here. Okwe e kia na ma say first wife you. E second wife ya be do aya kon here him. Wa e kia ni no ma si mo pa e. O ma be ya be guven aye. At the end of the day, then do. How market? Small money just did that one body. Or you one like big, and then I was so annoying. I know what you did. How I don't know the one way they did. It's just here. The German we call her character Dushananda. They do that. If you don't really know where she is, you know people will get amnesia. You understand? I saw it, I said, God. Si tu veux, voyez le ton ego. Agbag bawa bi rabiri. Ou jobo jebu. E ni supa we ran firi. E social media no come when why anya hu before. Even the advert where they drag them now. No be small thing do for do ye na wa mo bog gbe yan. E mangele wa ya pe bojian we e fa yan la wa gbe. E ma ya ni we se no wa gbe ya fe wa ga gbe ya fe ni yes wa hu wa yan. Oni su wa ye izolo la dia. Because these are the people no mu dia yan ke who we on social media we no let a secret in ave. You wanted to take people money and not do visa for them? Why? When they suffer what Africa say. Even in winner we bo. When we are you go to use until the flesh. If fresh yourself, you go to use until the bourgeois. You go even talk say, I had the I only have the part where my place met a vary. Uni ya ko lag be we buko. If you want me I call your party, you go bring the best met a say we are here by. Salute, boy. I don't know as they look how make people know this. Yes, now. Then they use people money build hotel, live fake life for outside. They talk say I be your guy. I find not be your mate too. I think on that Germany where you did there. Eh? Ovie can't hear in there. You say that Ovie can't hear it. You say the women we don't respect them for this abroad. No, I think for one. Lady don't really care. All those ones. I don't know why some abroad women like be big name. Majority people, why not like be big name when musicians they play? No, not vessel, no be all of them the ass. The one way like come for his side. Why not like name the ones musicians are always shouting? That one alone will tell you that there is nothing there. That one is a sign to say that man is empty. Correct men, no they agree, they use their name t-shirt for street. If they even give musician money, you say, my brother, I love your music, I just give you la. I am a family, you know, I just want to make it in silent. Those are real men. Now them that money read their pocket. Now then they really they do their things. You see all those ones who will give you money, you write to me. You say me you use on chat. Shishi ma gome. Erere illiteracy omo engba. E locality oye gbawu. That's the truth of the matter. And a lot of women like it. Now those kind of men they want to go born for. Later when they will come open up, they will tell you say now they carry the man they go. We not hear one of recent for this social media. We go born one for one man when they say get money, get Britain press. At the end of the day, I share you come the talk story how he be saying that they carry the man they go. He be go there because of big name. At the end of the day, we call. Now the man come to use until they swallow a bag. Now the man come to use until they swallow a bag. Are those what you really want for yourself? You know, you make a load of Canada or apply for. They like the big name. If they just they hear the musicians, they speak that name. Ekialaga of Canada. Ekialaga of Canada. Idiekwe suru of Torino. Idiekwe Lara of Napoli. Oviekia of Benin City. Oviekia of Torino. And then you walk back, so. Their brain will just be wrong to Koyoni. Don't be smart. Their brain will do like this. Their mind will tell them say something. Then your mind gets better. Your mind is so. You know, but everywhere so go say. This thing where you see so not today inside the same thing. Me I take out for you. It's so people of the whole world. They don't know. But thank God, women are not getting sense. They are not, you know, women don't get sense. Those days, no sense, no brain. Thank God for social media. We can't wake some of them up. No level. I think I'm really yet they really take your time. You know, they discuss like before you give me, you come back with flight costs. I came back to home and telling people my intermediate exam, I passed it nicely. Not the idea you're discussing. Yeah, but Ekia Lara of Napoli. Oviekia of Benin City. Ekia Twin of the whole world. Chechege. Oh, well, Chechege daddy. Chechege daddy. Very fast. You get it. And one more, but 3 1 like this. Sha. I'm not against it. If it's your hard earned money, why not? If not the one you steal from people. A lot of people are making a lot of things. Those are the people who have the right to spend money like that because they suffer for it. Yes. You have fear. O sabwa de ba yan file. O manari ye ni go na ko be bless e bo malele. Woman they pay for hotel, me boyfriend did vaga your wife. Una see desperation of big name. Juju not there. Now they say Juju dey. Juju non de desperation. Eki alaga of Torino. If you quite of the whole world. Forget Juju. Juju non de. You want fall in love. Because the way they hear the name everywhere, if they just put that music, they hear the man that here. Eki alaga of Torino. If you quite of the whole world. They do their ear to they'll say, wow. They use my husband name to sing. Your husband will not sabi if your husband will not get level. Your husband will they look for name they go. The time we go take care your time. We need name on more really local husband. Hey, so I buy locality with I dislike locality with serious passion. If they look the locality will be like people they look them. Don't be every time we take the talker for you. It's a shame.